guys, it's the next day. It's Monday morning. Got to get the rear muffler out of the back of the Forester. It's the forward drive reversing over the road. Anyways, we've got to get this out, and I'm going to take that to my parents' place so they can use that for their fires. But yeah, we'll get this out, chuck it in the garage. Just going to check the oil in the fuzz as well. You know, Subaru life. My guess, it's low. Ah, yep, low. Oh boys, it's been a minute. Let's get some petrol, which will be just at Chanside, and then I'll grab a coffee and head down to Bunnings. The battery's pretty crap on the GoPro, so we might miss out on time. I'll put you up on the roof here, and let's go for a cruise. Got the back all ready for the compressor. So let's go. Right. Whew. A little bit nervous. No, we'll turn that off. Also, I got the new drive shaft too, guys. So we are sweet. Dylan's car's there. It's great. A little bit. Brakes are a bit noisy because it's been sitting. Wash. Oh no. I was on high boost. And thanks. Been sitting for 6 weeks or so some good fuel in it. Brakes are better than the Skyline. Idle's good. Just needs AC. And a wash. Exhaust fan. Yeah. $50 in. We got 28 litres. Awesome. I miss driving this. Alrighty boys, no compressor here at Croydon. Closest one is Vermont, so that's about 10 minutes that way. I'm not going to record it, so I'll probably go get that and then head over to my mate's place because I need help him move some Daytona USA arcade game things. Got an overpass coming up. You're not truly a car guy if you don't floor it through an underpass or overpass. That smoke screen, the guy behind me. Just going like this. Yeah, I haven't put the foot down like that for a while, so cleaned out a little bit. Holding its temp really good. Hasn't gone up, that's the highest it's been. You can see. Really happy. Some ups. Some Mister line fittings and a 360 swivel. Might put it behind. First time I've had the seats up in a long time. I'll head over to my mate's place and then I'll see you at home. Come back the other way. Damn. Popped the cooler pipe off. Oh good. Alright guys, we are home. The compressor and fittings and earmuffs. The battery went flat, but the compressor's here. I'm going to get the Skyline out and next to the garage, so we have a lot more room to work in here on the front bumper. And it'll be quite easy just to go out there and test fit it and bring it back in. And that means we can work on fiberglass stuff as well. And we can work on welding stuff too. Still need to pick up those tables. 6 foot long ones are about $70. So once I get this out, bring the compressor in and set it up where I want to set it up, I'll head down to Bunnings and pick up 2 of those tables. And the metal table that I'm after, it's actually in Knoxfield, so might get it another day. But yeah, let's set this garage up a bit. Damn it. I just went to the toilet and I missed the end of the auction. Damn it. How much it went for? It was a 2006 Forester SG manual luxury version, leather interior, sunroof, light heat in the front. Damn it! It was like $320. Fueling. It doesn't say how much it. Oh, I went overtime as well. I went to 2:05. It's supposed to be finished at 2 o'clock. Somebody put a bid in late. Damn it. Unboxing of the Ryobi Airwave 50 litre version, 2 horsepower. I think she's going to stay here, so I might end up taking the handle off because it's not going to move. But I've oops, put a little bit too much in. Yeah, I've added the oil. So take this off. Sweet! I won't bother packing up there. I'm going to head back out to Bunnings and pick up a couple of tables. Alrighty guys, picked up a couple of tables. I'm going to go get them out of the fuzz. Sucks being short. Ugh. So this week it's Marley's birthday on Thursday. So on Saturday, having family over. So I'm probably going to keep those tables for then, so I can like set up food and drinks and whatnot. Just turn on the fridge, so probably fill that up during the week. But yeah, that's it for this episode. So we've got the compressor, got the 5 accessories. So we've got the paint gun, degreaser, air and tyre, and the hose. And we've got these to do fiberglass on. I'll just actually show you the height. Decent height for me. So good working height for myself. With fiberglassing. And because it's flexible as well, if you drop any fiberglass on there, it'll pop straight off probably. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked this episode. If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you haven't yet. I'll catch you next episode. Bye.